स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello friends, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll talk about very important thing, and that is nothing but the date announced with respect to the TISSNET 2021 and what exactly it is, because those candidates who already give the TISSNET exam and surely they want to become the TISSIAN for next 2 years because their target is only to enter into TISS. Right guys, so a lot of students ask me what exactly the dates are with respect to the TISSNET result, TISSPAT, when it will be conducted, when TISSMAT will be conducted, and when the OPI, the personal interview, will be held. So with respect to all these parameters guys, not all dates are disclosed, but yes guys, this is a breaking news that TISSNET result is announced, and it is on which particular date. As in my previous video I already told that your TISSNET result will be announced before or after the last week of March. So guys, finally the date is announced with respect to the TISSNET 2021. So let's talk about, and guys, one more important thing, and that is if the result is out, now you have to kickstart your preparation with respect to the TISSPAT, the program aptitude test, the TISSMAT, the management aptitude test, with respect to all the parameters of TISSMAT. Those guys who are preparing for HRM and LR and the ODCL, for them they have to give the TISSMAT, and in the TISSMAT they have to cover the sections like the comprehension, the management data interpretation, and the business awareness, and also the descriptive writing. Now it is quite new, the descriptive writing, what exactly the content will be. So guys, to get each and every detail about what are the content in the descriptive writing, what they can be asked with respect to the TISSMAT, with respect to TISSPAT, and also get the guidance how you should prepare for the personal interviews. So in short, I can say that descriptive writing is all about getting the information about the current scenarios, that is the socio-economic, political, business and organizational issues. So guys, to get each and every detail about these all parameters, what exactly the content are, descriptive writing, business awareness, and how you should prepare for the personal interview, get a proper program for these particular parameters. So guys, stay tuned. So this is our new YouTube channel named Manwar TISS Entrance, where you will get all the updates with respect to the TISS Entrance. So target Mumbai, Tuljapur, Hyderabad, Guwahati or even Chennai Palm campus. Get best coaching for TISSNET and TISSPAT. Call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main important point, what exactly the date is. So guys, here we are on official website of TISS. Now click on the timeline. So these all are the dates. Now your aim to become a TISSIAN for next 2 years. So you give an exam on this date, 20th Feb. Now the announcement is the TISSNET result will be declared on the 16th March 2021. The rest information are yet to be announced, like program aptitude test, TISSPAT, TISSMAT and the personal interview. But guys, definitely you will not get lot of time after the results. As we discussed in our previous video that if the result will out in the last week of March, then TISSMAT might be conducted on 15th of April. So guys, you will get only 10 to 15 days after the results, not more than these, like 1 or 1.5 months. But yes guys, you will get only 10 to 15, not more than 20 days for the preparation. So guys, result date is announced. Now it's time for TISSPAT, TISSMAT and the OPI. So guys, kickstart your preparations from now onwards, and if you want a proper resources for this, then come at manwaredu.com. Click on buy online section, then click on MBA entrance. Just click to the full course packages. Now here, scroll down, you will get all the resources with respect to the TISSMAT. You will get the video lectures, handouts and the full length mock test. So click on view details, you will get 68 video lectures, 27 handouts, 10 mock tests and also the descriptive writing. So you can cover up overall comprehension part, the management data interpretation part, business awareness and also the descriptive writing. If you want a separate package for the TISSMAT and the personal interview, then click on the sectional wise courses, then scroll down. Now here you will get the TISSMAT 2021, the package with respect to the descriptive writing or VAT. Okay, just click on view details, you will get 4 video lectures which will include what exactly the structure of VAT, objectives of VAT. You will get the preparation strategy for the VAT and points to remember about the VAT. Now if you want to prepare for both descriptive writing and even for the personal interview, then add this package to the cart. Just click on view details, As we saw, the descriptive writing contains. Now click on personal interview. These all informations. What exactly the objective of the interview? What interviewer look at during interview? Body language, things to avoid during interview, dressing for the D-Day, how to enter, exit the interview, how to create your best impressions, do's for interview and don'ts for interview. So overall, you will get the complete info about the VAT and about the PI. If you want materials for the personal interview only, then click here. Okay, this is the package. You will get 9 video lectures and 1 handouts in the personal interview package. So guys, these all are the packages. You can choose as per your requirement. Either you can enroll for the personal interview, or for descriptive writing plus personal interview, or for descriptive writing, or also for the TISMAT complete package. So guys, this is all from the today's video. The packages which will definitely boost overall your confidence so you can easily crack the TISMAT and the personal interview. So guys, those who are preparing for HRM and ODCL, these all packages will help you out. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you want regular updates, be connected with our YouTube channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. If you want to prepare for TISMAT and OPI, visit atmanoedu.com/MBA entrance. If you want online programs for 2022, you can enroll for the books, mock test, sectional course, full course. You can interact live with us. So call or WhatsApp on this number or even these respective numbers. You can also join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, this is all from the today's video. I hope you got all the information about today's point. Now if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share this video to all of your friends so they can also get the benefit from this video. So this is all guys. Thank you very much. All the best for your career. Wanna see you through in TISS. Bye bye.